Hello guys, welcome to another video tutorial. In our last video tutorials we discussed about the variables and now it's time to jump into operators. Operators refers to the operations that we perform on the variable and values, and for example when we want to add two numbers like x and y variables, then we have to perform a additional operator. And there are a lot of operators in Python that we have to use every day in our program. So operators are like basic and the most important part in programming. Operators can be divided into different categories, and which are arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, logical operators, identity operators, membership operators, and bitwise operators. We are going to discuss about all of these operators one by one in our next coming videos. But today, what we are going to do is we are going to discuss about the arithmetic operators. Now, what do you mean by arithmetic operators? Arithmetic operators are used with numerical values to perform mathematical calculations. Like I discussed or I told you before in the first part of my video, that when we want to perform addition of two variables, then we have to perform a arithmetic operator, that's addition. Now arithmetic operators are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, floor division, power, and modulus. Now let's see it by doing some example and performing all these operators in a program. Now what we have to do is let's define a variable. As you know, how we can define a variable by 12 and y equals to 13. Then for performing addition, what I am going to do is print x plus y. Okay, then to perform subtraction, I am going to print subtraction as, then what I have to do is x minus y. Then to perform multiplication, let me print x into y. To perform division operation, print division of x by y. Now again, when we want to perform some floor division, floor division, then print FLOR floor division x double slash y. Then now it's time to perform modulus. Print modulus x modulo by y. Now the last one is power or exponential. Power print power x star y. Let me give a comma and now let me run it. Hello guys, now you can see here different operations perform. What these operators are doing is addition operations, add the two values, and subtraction, it's subtract two values, multiplication, it's just multiplying x with x and y, division. Now we have to understand between two terms, that's division and floor division. What division is doing is it's giving a floating value. It's giving a floating value like here 0.999, and what floor division is giving is it's giving the floor integer of the value. Here 0.922, its floor integer is 0, so it's giving 0, and modulus is giving the remainder more 12 more 13 will give 12, and the power is giving the power. It's like 12 the power 13. These are the operators, arithmetic operators that are available on Python. I hope you guys are enjoying the tutorial series, and in next video we are going to discuss about other operators in detail. Thank you for watching, and please support by subscribing. Thank you.